Excuse me. Yes, hello. With your permission, can I talk to you? Yes, of course. What's your name? My name is Elena. Where are you from? I'm from England. That's great country. Thank you. What is purpose of your visit? I came to see. Where are you staying here? I'm staying in Delina guest house. Which thing are you like here? I like local dishes. Which food do you like? Biryani recipe. How many countries are you visiting? I visit about 23 countries. Which country do you like? I like my country. Are you like mountain? Yes, I like. Do you have any problem here? No problem. Thanks. How are you feeling here? I feel better here. Would you have a cup of tea? No thanks. Thank you for your time. You are welcome. Nice to meet you. Happy to meet you. See you again. See you again. Thank you for watching my video. For more, subscribe. Please like and subscribe to my channel so that all notification. Bye bye.